What's up everyone? Welcome back to our digital knowledge again. In today's tutorial, you are going to see how to delete a Facebook account. It's a pretty easy task to do, so let's head over to a Facebook application first. Once you're there, just tap on the three lines on the top right and then tap on the settings icon. And in here, head over to Account Center. Now go to Personal Details. Now here, head over to Account Ownership and Control. Now go to Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your Facebook account. Now as we want to delete your account, select this check mark to delete account, and it says deleting your account permanently. When you delete your account, your main profile and everything else that you have added will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to retrieve anything that you have added. All additional profiles, messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. So make sure you know all these and then tap to continue. And now here, before you delete, they just need to know why are you deleting your Facebook. So tap on continue, tap on continue again. And if you want to keep your messenger and deactivate instead, you can just deactivate from here. But if you want to delete, just continue. And here you have to re-enter your Facebook password and tap on continue, and then your Facebook account will be deleted. So yeah, this is the way of deleting Facebook account. Hope this video will help you out. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we will see you in the next video.